Hey everyone, this is Caleb Gutierrez, your Communications Committee Chairman, bringing you this week's update video. In this video, we're going to give you a brief overview on the events that are coming up in the upcoming weeks and how you can help out. First off, we have our class meetings on Friday, September 27th at 11 a.m. Use any of these following links for your grade level and plan all the events that are happening on your grade level. This is a great way to get involved and figure out how you can help out. Remember, we are planning Shark Week. More info on that later. Our committee meetings are coming up October 11th at 11:30 a.m. This is a great way to get involved for school-wide events. This is the area we really need your help. This is the link right here. These are all Blackboard links where you can help out. We have Communications Committee, Community, Student Activities, and Social Media. These are our different committees. Each of them needs your help, but communications and social media are our biggest need for help. So if you're creative and you have ideas for advertisements and ways to reach out to people, definitely stop by. Look forward to seeing you guys there. And Shark Week. What is Shark Week? Shark Week is similar to a Spirit Week. It's going to be happening October 28th to November 1st. So save the date because November 1st is our big face-to-face event. It's going to be similar to a field day and it's going to be happening in the Central Florida area. If we are still in the planning stages for this and if you want to help us plan this out, join our committee meetings and you can help us get those ideas out there. More info is coming on this soon and we will update you guys as soon as we can. Don't forget, Project Profile Picture is still going on, so put a face to the name in all of our Blackboard rooms. Screenshot this or take a picture with your phone so you can see the instructions on how to add a little profile picture to your name in all of your Blackboard rooms. And last but not least, don't forget to follow us on all of our social media pages, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Stay up to date on all the events and see our awesome posts. And don't forget, all of these links and slides will be available on our portal page where all announcements for FLVS are posted, as well as teachers' announcement pages when you log on to Educator have a banner on the top of the screen and there's little pictures on there and one of those pictures says Student Council. If you click on that, you can see the slides. They are always up to date. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Student Council or any of your teachers and they'll put us in contact with you. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching this and have a fabulous rest of your day.